All right, let's go over the pen tool. And first we're going to start with using the pen tool to make straight paths. Before we get into that, I want you to locate the pen tool in your toolbar. If you hit P on your keyboard, it will also highlight this tool. Go ahead and expand the options under this tool, and you'll see there's quite a few tools under the pen tool. We'll just go over them briefly so you know where to find them. You have the pen tool, the freeform pen tool, a curvature pen tool, add anchor point tool, delete anchor point tool, and convert point tool. For this exercise, let's go ahead and grab your pen tool. And what I want you to do is just practice drawing a straight path. Before you start drawing a path, I want you to go up to the options panel at the top of your software, your screen, and you'll notice that you have a couple options under the pen tool that we're going to focus on. You have the option to draw a path, or you have the option to draw a shape. First, we're going to work on just paths, and we'll get into the power of the path here in a minute. But with path selected and with your pen tool selected, let's go ahead and move over to this exercise, and let's just practice making straight lines. So click on A, and what's happening when you click on the first click you make is you're making a anchor point. That little red square is an anchor point. So we're going to make an anchor point. We're going to scroll down with our line, and we're going to click onto B and create another anchor point. So when you make just straight lines, you need to hit escape on your keyboard to end that line. So there's our path. Let's go ahead and hit delete on our keyboard to delete that path. And let's move on to the next one. We're going to click and create an anchor point, and click and add a second anchor point and hit delete. Or sorry, escape. If you don't hit escape, you'll see that you have this direction point. This isn't actually a line, it's just a direction point. And this will exist until you hit escape and end the path. And I'm going to hit delete and get rid of that path. Let's move on to the next. E, anchor point, F, G, H, I. Let's hit escape on our keyboard. Great. Let's go ahead and delete that. We don't need to keep it quite yet, but we're just learning how to make a straight line. The next thing I want you to do is just go ahead and make a full shape with a path. So let's do click, K, L, back to J. We don't need to hit escape because we have ended a full circle of this shape. Let's go ahead and move on and try doing a star. Notice we're just doing straight lines right now. Made a star. So great. All right, so pull up the next image that I've shared with you. It's called pentooledit.psd. I have it here in my panel as a tab. And the next thing I want to move into with you is adding and deleting anchor points. So let's go ahead and just draw this first shape. I want you to click. I want you to go past this red. Click again, and here's where we get into curves. You're going to go ahead and click on the first anchor point that you made, and you're going to click on it, and you're going to pull and hold down your mouse and not release. And I'm not releasing still, see, and I'm going to pull until I get that shape. The next thing I want to do is I want to show you how to add an anchor point. So let's go ahead and go back to our tool, pen tool, select the add anchor point option, and I want you to add an anchor point where this red square is on this shape. And I've just added an anchor point. You can go ahead and also delete that anchor point by grabbing your delete anchor point tool and going back and removing it. Let's go ahead and try that again. I'm going to grab my pen tool. I'm going to click, 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 and then I want you to practice deleting maybe this top anchor point here. And you've converted it to a straight line. I'm going to hit escape. So that's the add and delete anchor point option. Now we're going to have a little bit of fun. I want you to see this flower shape here, and I want you to go ahead and grab your pen tool, and I want you to just click on the little anchor points. Don't worry about the roundness yet. I'm going to show you how to play with that next. So how can we quickly add these nice round edges? Well, there's this lovely tool called the Convert Point tool. And what this tool does is it converts straight lines to curves or curves to straight lines. And the way that we're going to do this is we're going to click on the anchor point and we're going to pull. And we're going to start pulling this out and creating a curve. So that was kind of fun. These options right here, these are direction points, and you can click on those and also move things around. If you want to quickly go back to making these straight paths, all you have to do is make sure you have your Convert Point Path tool still selected. You can just click on those original anchor points and it'll go back to straight paths. So that's a fun way to make quick curve paths. The last thing I want to show you is the direct selection tool. If it's right here below your pen tool options. It's a white arrow and a black arrow. I want you to locate the direct selection tool. And this is a great tool to select and move specific anchor points on your path. So once I grab the direct selection tool, I can click on anchor points, specific anchor points, and click on the actual point, and I can move these around. If they're filled in, if the anchor point is filled in, it means that it's active, and you can just move that point. So that's one option. And then you can also use the direct selection tool, which is this white tool, to, the path selection tool to move your path around. So that's the anatomy of a path tool and some options under the pen tool that you can use to kind of massage and move your paths around.